Hello, classmates. I am Elizabeth SargisE, and I specialize in business communications. A major theme that God has been emphasizing in my life for about 10 years revolves around the word more. With God, there is always more. And my joy and calling is to help businesses communicate more effectively. Often when I'm listening to a new client, I find myself asking them to say more about what they want their communication to do, about their hopes for their business. So the name of my business is Say More. My clients say more to me, and I help them say more to their customers, employees, members, or other stakeholders. I grew up on a farm south of Mulberry Grove and in the Free Methodist Church here in Greenville. My family have been Free Methodists for generations. I left the area after 2 years at Greenville College and spent the next 30 years in the Chicago area. In 2019, I returned for a job at GU so that I could be near my family again. Sadly, I lost that job to COVID-19 cuts, but I am continuing in the MBA program and hope to have my degree by this time next year. My wonderful husband serves the city of Greenville as its Economic Development Director, and I continue to look for full-time employment in the region. We make our home on the beautiful shores of Governor Bond Lake, northeast of Greenville. I've kept busy during the past year developing programming for the Smart Center in downtown Greenville. I founded the SmartWorks initiative and volunteer as its leader. Our flagship service was the Job Seeker Group that meets weekly to support local job hunters. Since we started in September, I've been serving 6 clients, and 3 of those clients have found full-time employment in their chosen fields. I also teach workshops and lead book discussions on various job search and business topics. And I consult for a few clients while I'm searching for a new full-time position. In my spare time, I love to read or listen to audiobooks. I take long walks on country lanes with my dog Rex. I also help lead the singing at church, and I'm currently coaching 2 18-year-old boys to help them get on their feet. My goal is to help break the cycle of generational poverty in their families. I also serve as the VP of Programs and Events for the St. Louis chapter of my professional association, the International Association of Business Communicators. And that basically means I host a lot of meetings, workshops, and networking events on Zoom. I've worked with statistics a lot in my career, but I've never taken a formal class. So I'm looking forward to clarifying my understanding of the tools and techniques so that I can analyze more information and understand it more deeply, and that will help me help others communicate more of the information that people need to make important decisions in their business and personal lives. I look forward to seeing lots of familiar faces in this class and getting to know all of you better as we take on the challenge of statistics. I look forward to hearing what you have to say as we all work together to be more of what God has called us to be. Thank you.